Hey Food Heroes, Ms. Anslow here with Everett and another Food Hero feature food lesson. Today's lesson is all about oranges. You will learn some amazing facts about oranges, how oranges are good for us, something new, and at the end I will share a Food Hero recipe that you can try making at home. So let's get started. Welcome to the orange grove. Grove is another name for orchard, and it's frequently used to describe where the orange trees grow. We are lucky that oranges grow all around the world in warm climates. That means oranges are in our markets all year long. They might be freshest when they are harvested in the United States. Oranges grow in southern states like California, Texas, and Florida, and they're harvested November through June. There are so many kinds of oranges. A few popular varieties include navel oranges, Valencia oranges, tangelos, blood oranges, and mandarin oranges. Each kind has a unique flavor. I wonder if you have a favorite. Oranges are best known for the vitamin C they have. Vitamin C is an antioxidant, so good for you. It keeps your immune system strong and helps you heal quickly. Oranges are high in folate, which is also called vitamin B9, so important for healthy pregnancies. Oranges are a good source of potassium, which helps keep your heart beating. Oranges also give us fiber, and that helps our digestion and keeps us feeling full longer. Did you know that you can use the zest, which is the outside colorful part of the peel, to add flavor to the food you cook? After you wash the oranges, you can grate the peel using the finest part of the grater, then add the zest to a favorite recipe. Orange zest adds a delightful bright flavor to some of our favorite Food Hero recipes, such as healthy carrot cake recipe, baked apples and cranberries, or fruit and nut slaw. I bet you will think of other ways to add some zest into your cooking. Before we start on today's recipe, remember our food safety rules. Ask an adult for help and wash our hands for 20 seconds. Today's recipe is carrot, jicama, and orange salad. For this recipe, you will need jicama, carrot, orange, and to make the dressing, vegetable oil, orange juice, honey or brown sugar, lime juice, and a bit of salt. First, wash your veggies and the orange, then grate the carrot and jicama, cut the orange up, mix the dressing, and stir it all together. This is such a delicious recipe. It's super refreshing. Check out foodhero.org for the carrot, jicama, and orange recipe. There you can learn more about oranges and find our fruit word search. Plus, look for recipes that you can add some zest to, like the healthy carrot cake cookie recipe. Excellent job today, Food Heroes. You've earned your orange stamp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Food Hero is brought to you by Oregon State University.